Chairman, Edo State Independent Electoral Commission, Justice James Oyomire, retired, said the commission is yet to be served with the injunction of the Abuja Federal High Court, pointing out that the electoral body cannot act on speculation. Justice Oyomire said when a commission is restrained by a court of competent jurisdiction, the commission should be served. He said that until the commission is served, the local government election in Edo State will hold as scheduled.
When the commission is restrained by a court, they should serve the commission. It's when I receive a copy of the restraining order that I now say, yes, I have been restrained. We are going on with our activities.
On political parties participating in the election, Justice Oyomire explained that ADP, SDP, YPP, Zenith Labour Party and two others are in the race, while the PDP and Labour parties may be given a lifeline to participate if they are able to conduct their primaries before Friday this week.
Secretary wrote asking for primary and placing a particular day, and the chairman of the party wrote for another date, and I couldn't hold that primaries on that completing letters.
What is the position of the political parties participating in the election?
Primary was supposed to be yesterday, if not that what happened yesterday, and by the grace of God on Friday we are still doing our primary.
Put a call across to the secretary of EDSIEC confirming if the process should continue. And the secretary said it does not have anything to do with us, we should continue. We are contesting 10 in the state and we are winning them.
Normally it is the local government chairman who will now give EDSIEC offices in their local government appropriate notice of date, time, venue within the time frame set by EDSIEC. So there was no conflict.
What is the position of the law restraining the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission from conducting the local government election? Anderson Asemota, a legal practitioner, said EDSIEC owns it as a duty to obey the order of the court.
It's an order of the court. They cannot hide on the fact that they have not been served to disobey the judgment of the court.
At the time of this report, some political parties were conducting their primaries.
Flowing from the order of the Federal High Court in Abuja restraining the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission from conducting the local government election, one may be right to say that the conduct of the election may not push through. This is because the Supreme Court of Nigeria had before now ruled that a judgment or an order of court is valid, binding and subsisting until it is set aside or discharged by a competent court of jurisdiction. The judgment debtor can either apply to the court to vacate the order or appeal against the judgment to the Court of Appeal. Until this is done from the eye of the law, one may be right to say that the Edo State's local government election may not hold. From Benin, Best Mbiere reporting.